Hello guys, do you know these famous people? Do you know what are the similarities among them? They are very passionate, they are great achiever, and also they are a great learner. Today I am going to tell about them and about their successful career. Sushant Singh Rajput, as all of you know, he is a very talented actor and recently he died at the age of 34. So he won lots of success in his career. He won National Olympiad and he also got Stanford scholarship. He cracked AIEEE exam and got admission in Delhi Engineering College. He quit his studies in third year to become an actor. Besides acting, he is a good dancer also. So look at his successful career. Learning is the most important ability to become successful in this competitive world. Learners can promote from no income group to income group. Successful learners are a successful entrepreneur like Roman Saini. Roman Saini cracked AIMS exam at the age of 16 and also he cracked IAS exam at the age of 21. After leaving his IAS job, he wanted to do something different and now he became a co-founder of India's largest digital educational platform, the Unacademy. Ritesh Agarwal, his age is 24, he is the founder of Oyo and all of you know that Oyo app is used for booking hotels, lodge, etc. And this app is very popular nowadays. Do you know what he is doing? He at the age of 13 he used to sell SIM cards and now he became the world's youngest self-made billionaire. So learning can get you an unfair advantage. So today I am going to tell you some techniques to improve learning skills, and by improving your learning skill you can success in your life. You can achieve your goal. So first technique is Feynman technique. The Feynman technique is derived by Sir Richard Feynman. He won Nobel Prize in Physics. He derived this technique while he was studying at Princeton University. There are some steps we have to follow for improving the learning skill. Step 1. Grab a sheet of paper and write the name of the concept at the top. You can use pretty much any concept or idea. Even though the technique is named after Feynman, it's not limited only to maths and science. You can use any subject or any topic whichever you learned or where you have interested. Step 2. Explain the concept in your own words as if you were teaching someone else. Focus on using simple and plain language. Don't limit your explanation to a simple definition or a broad overview. Challenge yourself to work through example. So while you are explaining your concept, try to give examples and use simple language. Then people can easily understand your explanation. Step 3. Review your explanation and identify the area where you didn't know something or where you feel your explanation is shaky. Once you have pointed them, go back to the source material, your notes. Step 4. If there are areas where you are using some technical terms or some complex language, challenge yourself to rewrite these sections in simpler terms and make sure that your explanation could be understood by someone without the knowledge base you believe you already have. Albert Einstein once quoted that if you can't explain simply, then you don't understand it enough. So except Feynman technique, there are some other principles also we have to follow. So one of the principles is Pareto's principle. This principle is coined by Vilfredo Pareto and he is an Italian economist. Originally, the Pareto principle referred to the observation that 80% of the Italy's wealth belong to the only 20% of the population. More generally, the Pareto's principle is the observation, it is not a law, that most things in life are not distributed evenly. It can mean all of the following things. 20% of the input can create 20% result. 20% of the workers can produce 20% result. 20% of the customer can create 80% of the revenue, and so on. So all these methods are varies from person to person, so you can try each and every experiment to get to know better which one is better, which one is best and suitable for you. Listen, all the methods are working if you are passionate about your goal. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, then subscribe.